So we're back now. The builder's done a nice job here. It's all finished. All the wires are ready. Ceiling's been done. Hopefully we marked it out properly. That's Cat 5 there for the cameras, and up there that's going to be our fuse box, and the dado is going to go along here and along this wall here. Got the underfloor heating ready to go in. This is our switch for the lights inside and outside. So yeah, should be a nice job when it's finished. Let's have a look outside. And there's just some lights to go up here, and a light with a sensor here and here. So when you come in, you can turn them off by a switch as well. But when you come along, it will light up, so you can open the door and then turn these lights on, and the lights inside. So it's going to be a nice little office for someone.